In this video, I'll show you how to set up price books in Salesforce step by step in a simple, beginner-friendly way. A price book in Salesforce is a collection of products and their specific prices that you can use across opportunities, quotes, and orders. Especially useful when you sell the same product at different rates for different customers or regions. We'll start by opening the Sales app, navigating to the Price Books tab, and creating a new price book with a clear name, description, and making sure it's marked active. Then we'll add products by creating or editing them, linking them to the correct price book, confirming currency settings if multi-currency is enabled, and ensuring products are active so they appear in deals. We'll also touch on basic sharing considerations and organization tips to avoid pricing confusion. If this helped, subscribe for more simple and honest tech tutorials.